So you want to know how to find options to trade on Robinhood? Great. Keep watching. Hey, what's good? It's your boy Matthew Michael, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to find what stocks to trade on Robinhood. If you are new here, please be sure to hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future content or giveaways. I post a new video every Saturday, and I would absolutely love to have you as part of the family. And also, if you enjoy the content in this video, please be sure to hit the like button. I would really appreciate it, guys, and it helps to grow the family more and more. Also, just wanted to mention, if you do not have a Robinhood account and you want to open one for commission-free trading, I have a referral link down below in the description. And just for signing up and depositing as little as 1 cent, you get a stock valued anywhere up to $300, guys. Normally it's a $5 stock, but you got the chance of getting a $300 stock. That's down below in the description if that's something you want to do. But without further ado, let's get to the video. Big shout out to Omni Helix. Today's video was inspired by his comment, guys. So if you have any questions or anything that you'd like to see in a future video, guys, comment down below and tune in next week, and I just may have made a video about what you suggested. Now to the video. The first thing that you're going to want to do when you're trying to find stocks to trade options on is figure out your budget. How much you can spend is going to dictate which stocks you're able to look at. For instance, if you're looking at a stock like Apple, Nvidia, anything like that, blue chip stocks, they come with a premium. So if your budget's low, you're not really going to be able to work with those because they have a premium on them. Typically, guys, if you have a lower budget, like if you're starting with $50 for instance, you want to find some with lower premiums. Guys, I wouldn't say find a stock with no premium, because stocks like Ford, they also don't move much, so they're not really good stocks to trade options on. Yeah, guys, the price of a contract is definitely a factor I take into play when it comes to picking which stocks to trade options on. And when you're trying to find good options without too much of a premium for a good price, you want to either buy them just in the money, or what's best is to get them just as they're crossing into the money. If you know they're about to cross into the money, that is a perfect time to buy. It gets an added little boost once it gets in the money, and that is going to get you more profit, and that'll get you to your 10% a lot easier. Usually that little boost from crossing into the money right there is enough to stop for the day and sell out of your shares. Yeah, so you want to find stocks that are within your budget, and it's best to buy as close to and crossing into the money if you can, guys, because that is where you're going to get all your money. The further away from the money you are, the quicker your options lose value. So guys, you want to buy close to the money. The next thing that I do when I'm looking for options to trade is I go through and look at my watch list at the stocks that I trade, and I try to find the ones that are ideally good for trading options. But the real question is, what makes an option good for me to trade? Okay, guys, I'll tell you. Whenever I'm looking for stocks to trade options on, guys, there are a few key metrics that I look at, and this may not be what everyone does, but this is what I do. So guys, to me, the options that are going to be good ones are typically the ones that have enough volatility to move between different strike prices. And how do you know if a stock has the volatility to move between different stock prices? Okay, guys, like I said, there are a couple key metrics that I look at, and those are implied volatility and open interest. So guys, I'll have a graphic on the screen circling exactly where you'll find that on Robinhood, the implied volatility and open interest. Now, what is implied volatility and open interest? Let me tell you, guys. With implied volatility, the higher the implied volatility, the sooner you'll be able to sell out of your options and take profit on it, or the faster you'll be able to lose money. So guys, it really depends on which side of the option, but with implied volatility, the price is moving quick, so you can get in and out quickly if that's what you want to do. The lower the implied volatility, the longer you're likely to have to hold on to an option. So guys, if you want to be in and out of your options quickly, guys, try to look for higher implied volatility so that you'll be able to sell out of your options quicker. Okay, and open interest. Open interest is the amount of people that are looking to buy it. So the higher your open interest, the easier it'll be for you to turn around and sell the contract that you're working with. One thing about high open interest is this also adds on to the premium because a lot more people want it. So I guess try to find that happy balance of getting it at a good price, but also finding a decent open interest, guys. And what's decent for me may not be decent for you. So guys, really what I recommend is try to start with stuff that are, you know, maybe lower numbers, and then as you get more comfortable and find out maybe that's too slow for you, work your way up. Don't try anything with too much of a premium. Just a disclaimer, guys, in no way, shape, or form is this financial advice. I'm just a dude on YouTube. Just like I said, higher higher open interest causes the price of an option to be higher, but also as the open interest decreases, that drops the price of an option too. So if you bought into a option with high open interest and then the interest drops, the value of your option can drop dramatically. Guys, I recommend not trying to play with earnings too much. Usually just before earnings, open interest is very high on most companies. Guys, if you like the implied volatility and open interest on the stock, guys, look no further. That's usually where I stop, is when I find a stock with good implied volatility and open interest that I found on my watch list or that I've just come across and I've gotten to know the charts. But guys, if you are still looking and that's not enough for you, I normally don't go further than that, but here's a little bit more you can do to find stocks to trade options on. So when I was first getting started, I noticed that Robinhood has these categories that you can already choose from. Right here, they're called popular collections. So yeah, right here you can click on it. You can go through and click on them. 100 most popular, those are going to have a good open interest and implied volatility. And this is a good place to look for stocks. Look for stocks to trade options on, guys. Try to find one in your price range. Maybe click on one, trade options, and just check the price of the options. And this is pretty cheap. You know, maybe I would get on here, click the little chart in the top right. Okay, so open interest is 363. The implied volatility is 33.97%. That's not bad, guys. The question is, how much does the stock move? Okay, so with that, guys, you can go through and look through the Robinhood recommended, whatever their stocks are. You can go there, look on Robinhood. They already have some lists for you. That is another great place to find stocks to trade options on. Okay, and just a word of advice: if you pick a stock to trade options on that you don't know anything about, maybe at least try to go down to the bottom and read the description so you at least know a little bit about what the company does. And maybe if you see any news headlines that might affect the usual pattern of the way the stock trades, you're prepared to, you know, either back out or set up a different position. Another thing I like to do whenever I'm looking at a stock that I'm not really familiar with, I haven't been watching, is I like to go in and look at their day chart, see how it trades on the day, look at their week, see how it goes up and down, and then take a look at their month chart, look for pattern, and then look how they've been over the past 3 months. Look for any patterns or cycles. And usually on the 3-month chart, I like to see them trending upward. I still trade options and puts, but green is something I like to see. Everything is going to go up and down. So yeah, guys, I'm sure there are many ways to pick stocks to trade options on, but this is how I do it. And you don't have to do it like this if you don't want to. It's just the way I do it, like I said, and just wanted to show it to y'all because, you know, maybe some of y'all are seeking direction, and some direction is better than no direction. That is how I find stocks to trade. Don't go yet, because I got a little something for y'all. Hey, what's good? It's your boy Matthew Michael, and I'm coming back at y'all with another Robinhood 52-week options trading challenge update, guys. Don't really have much to say. I'll let the portfolio do the talking, but let's take a really quick look at how my portfolio is doing. As you can see, we have the handy dandy Robinhood open, and guys, on the day we are up 7.88%. That's $7.39, guys, and we have broke the triple digits today, guys. And guys, today is Tuesday, second day of the trading week, and we have already hit 26%. So guys, I'm done. I didn't use any day trades and we have the 26%, guys. So it's looking beautiful. As you can see, guys, I'm far ahead of what the chart in the first video showed for 10% every week. Thing about trading options is they typically move more than 10%. I feel as if I've never had an option move below 10%. I feel like that's why I keep beating the 10%, because guys, the goal for me is just to get 10% and cut it. I'll close the app, look at it again, it'll be up, and hey, what can you do? I'm ahead of the goal, and I am definitely not mad at that, guys. Yeah, guys, this is week 3. We have crushed our goal again and looking again to do it in week 4. For those of you who are interested in something like this, guys, I encourage y'all to try. I would also like to say that, guys, I am not a financial advisor. This is risky, so do this at your own discretion. But for those of you who want to try, guys, if you have $50 you can put aside, go ahead and do it. It's just $50. But if you can't do that, by any means, don't do anything that you can't do. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, guys, I really want to know, what are you doing? Just subscribe. Subscribe already. Guys, we're here. Guys, we're having fun. Why not hit that subscribe button? Yeah, I can't think of a reason. But anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. If you didn't hit the subscribe button, if you did hit the subscribe button, hey guys, please drop a comment down below. I love talking to you guys down below in the comments. And guys, don't be greedy. Be sure to share this video with a friend so that they can learn to grow a small little smidgen of money into a massive collection. Guys, we're not to the massive collection yet of money, but guys, we have already doubled our money. So guys, it is looking amazing. 3 weeks to double your money. If we do that again, we'll have $200 in 3 weeks, guys. Yeah, thank y'all so much for watching, and peace.